So windy, but nice tree.
Well, that'll be, you said it's marked okay, or?
Yes,
If you have a map of that, that would be great.
Okay, hold on just a second here. Hi, Claire. Oh, yeah, it was in Apple Watch, and the IT helped out with that, so, yeah, they were great.
Lehman Caves.
Figuring out how long we're gonna be. Not yet. Good night. I wonder.
Scorpion. That's huge scorpion right there.
Thank you very much.
Huge one. Actual size. Let's see. It's like my hand. My millipede. Oh, looks like my hand. These are the things you see inside the cave. There's the cave, it's a long walk to the exit, and then it's long walk again. And this is the feeding model of the cave.
finding some cool stuff?
Yeah, it's all about the cave.
Oh.
And
Well, you could go through here, huh?
yeah, you can go. I think the entrance is that side.
Yeah, behind here there's a nature trail, so
Okay.
we can like take that or something.
Okay.
You know, if you want to do
Alright.
that.
Yeah, the cool
Cool.
stuff that they have those huge insects that
Oh, wow.
grows inside.
Oh my
You
gosh.
said it's the actual size, so
Oh,
it's
it
like
is.
big.
Oh, those are big. Look how big that is. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. Wow.
So if you walk there, you'll probably see them.
Well, it's cool that this is open because a lot of them, they're closed.
What is this? Like worms.
Yeah, the caves are closed right now.
Oh, okay.
So.
Let's enter the dark side.
There's bats.
And that's, I don't know if this camera will see it, but so dark here.
Oh, you can hear them. They're
Yeah.
chirping.
There the sounds piping. Let's see the ceiling. Batman. Yeah, you need to, if you want to see it.
Yeah, that must have been the crickets.
Crickets. Crystals. Yeah, that's the one. What is that?
Too fast.
And I wasn't able to get a video because they keep moving. They run very fast. So now let me take a okay, there it is. Can you take a video? Yeah. Limestone and marble. Where is it? These ones?
Right here.
Wow. These are expensive if you're gonna cut this and put it in your houses. And they just let it stay up here. It's gonna be heavy to carry it down anyway. So you can see the marbling. That's probably why it's called marble.
Yeah.
So those lines. This would be nice for a countertop. Covered rock.
We're seeing bats return.
Oh, okay. The natural entrance. Nice. There's an entrance.
To the cave.
Yeah, you can go in there. So who wants to go inside the cave? It's like a pay to enter. So he made it into a,
Wow.
then he'll give you a candle. That's gonna be hard to see inside. And then you will be surprised with these bats. So they locked that now, you cannot go in there. Yeah, it's probably, in today's standards, probably dangerous now. It's not safe. But before, it's nice. It's the original entrance to Lehman Caves. So this is probably where he first found that cave. So they put a cage around it so you cannot go in. But the entrance is still there. Not allowed to go in. It's just no climbing, keep away. You can see with the camera, it's a big hole right there. And they have solar, so there might be lights inside. Solar power. And there's the visitor center. So we're on our botany tour. It's Utah juniper. So even on dry climate, because of this needle-like leaves, they survive. This one, we toppled it over. Got hit by lightning. Because it looks like it burnt part
Yeah.
of it.
When I was camping near Flagstaff, I didn't notice it, but when that guy showed up, he told me this one tree did get struck by lightning.
Oh, really?
I was like, oh wow. Because he came up there and part of the tree was on the road.
Oh,
And he had to move it.
that's gonna be hard. You need like
But I didn't
chainsaw.
notice it until he showed. I was like, okay, hopefully lightning doesn't strike twice in the same space.
I think that's a myth, right? Because sometimes they hit the same spot.
I think it is.
They said this one guy who got hit like 4 times or 2
Yeah,
times.
I've heard of that before. Like
Yeah.
some people, it's just like, okay, to get struck once, but then multiple times.
Yeah, they're like a magnet for lightning.
Yeah,
They had it actually on one of those video footages where
yeah.
he got struck and then he was down, and then when he stood up and then he started walking, got struck again.
Jeez.
So it, I think on YouTube too.
Yeah.
Maybe we can go inside the cave. We'll see for fun or not. If it's open, but we didn't bring any flashlights. Isn't that why they have flashlights there inside, so you can
That's
bring it
probably
here?
why. Yeah.
It says right here, a mountain view. That way, but it's closed.
Yeah.
It's closed anyway, so we cannot go in unless we have the code. Who has the code?
Break the code.
Message me and my YouTube channel. If you know the code, then we can go in and take a video inside of the Lehman Cave. Somebody would know. See, there's only 10 digits. There's an antenna here. So maybe they have radio inside. So maybe somebody's living there. So if you want to live off grid, you can live inside this cave. There's internet because of that antenna. And it's cool because it's not very hot outside. What you need is water and food. Maybe electricity, battery. That's probably why they have that solar panel there and the other
That's
entrance.
right, yeah.
Somebody's down there.
True.
It's like, hey,
Watching TV.
you're watching TV, watching YouTube. Watch my channel, fun or not.
Yeah, the lady was saying the cave opens on the 23rd.
Oh, this month?
Yeah, this month.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why they don't have it open now.
Yeah, it's
mean-
nice weather. Maybe they want that snow days to.
That could be, but there's still people here.
Yeah. They probably get. Maybe there's more people coming on that day.
Yeah,
Like the actual opening day.
that could be, yeah.
So we're actually on the off season.
Yeah.
So that's a quick tour of the what's it, the hiking trail. It's only 0.3 mile. So, but there's interesting places there. Or things to see.
No snow.
No snow, which is good. And we're back to the visitor center. Just the cafe, food shop. And there's more signs. Why is there a cave here? Oh, there's another cave entrance here.
Oh, that's right.
Maybe that's the one that's open.
Huh.
So how the caves were formed. There's water inside there.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, right there. At first I didn't see it. Like, where is it? It's moving. It's not moving.
It's plain dead.
It's probably I didn't see it earlier. Just the head is moving.
Nope, there you went.
Inside. It's good time to go in. Here's the other entrance to the cave. It's locked right now. And they will open on May 23rd this year, 2021. Lehman Caves. So that's a huge cave system. They already mapped it. They have the 3D model in the entrance. See, you may bring jacket, camera, flashlight. Do not bring camera case, tripod. So I cannot even bring this.
Can't bring a lot of stuff.
Yeah, food, pet, touching are not allowed. So if you walk there, you walk all the way there.
Yeah. Huh.
Nice. Nice cave. What's killing our bats? White nose, mosquitoes. Oh, the bats will eat those mosquitoes. Another view of the tiny home. Roads cave and nice with this big tree.
Yeah.
Fun or not. So that concludes our trip to the Lehman Cave system or park here at the Great Basin National Park or National Monument. So we're just driving back to town or to the camp. That way we could rest. That hike is only 0.3 mile, but it's a little bit tiring because I think here, since we're at high elevation, the oxygen level is lower than normal. I mean, it's normal, but it's normal for the elevation. And we are here at the, I don't know how high this is, but it is a little low. So if you see me looking like I'm out of breath, it's probably because of that. It's not because I don't have physical endurance. Yeah, I got a good excuse, one or not. But anyway, that's it for today for this campground or national park, I mean. Okay, bye bye.